It's been months, it's been almost a year since I did my last video, since I said I was going to start doing videos again, but this time I'm going to start and I'm not going to stop. I have a goal and I'm going to do it. New year, new me. What I have is another Kylie Jenner unboxing, and this is her lip oil, so we're going to get right into it. We're not going to waste much time. So yeah, this is her lip oil. It is packaging, cute pink packaging. We have some more stickers and the lip oil. And it is a luxurious oil gel texture that nourishes the lips, leaving them soft, smooth, with a glossy but non-sticky finish. Basically, it's a plumping lip gloss. Now, I'm not one to wear lip gloss, but here we are. Oh, it's cute. It's, I don't know, looks like lip gloss. I like her stuff, and it costs $22. I don't know if that's a lot for a plumping lip gel. I don't know, I have no idea. I've never bought anything like that before, but her stuff is fairly expensive. It is what it is. What she puts her name on is gonna sell. So it smells like nothing, and let's try it out. Here's the applicator. Feels good. I feel like lip gloss always make me look dirty. Probably use this at night before I go to sleep, just to nourish my lips. It's supposed to be a plumping lip gel. Do I really care about that? Yeah, a little bit. It feels really good. It's really cute. Kylie Jenner. Again, I like her stuff. I like her packaging. Just something I thought that I would like to try, and I don't feel any type of plumping going on, like anything that hurts or anything, so I don't know. And then nothing like really visible, but if it works, it works. That'll be cool. That's it. There's really not that much to it. It's a lip gloss, lip oil, lip gel. It feels good. It's plumping. We'll see. I feel like it's a tad bit expensive, I guess. I really don't know, because I don't really buy this type of stuff. Again, I don't really like lip glosses. I like a matte lip, a nice darker, a nice subdued matte lip is my vibe. This really isn't my vibe, but I wanted to try it, and I did. If you want to order it, go ahead and try it. It's not something that's sold out. I don't know. I really don't think her skin stuff sells out as much as her lip kits, but while you're here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really going to be doing videos. It's what I want to do. New year, new me. I'm going to be doing them. Lifestyle, beauty, fashion. So yeah, this was my Kylie Jenner lip oil review.